Welcome to our beginner's guide to the exciting world of artificial intelligence, or AI, and its transformative role in shaping tech startups. AI, once a concept confined to the realm of science fiction, has rapidly become a fundamental part of today's technology industry. This surge in AI adoption has been particularly apparent within the burgeoning tech startup scene. Before we delve into its applications in tech startups, let's first look at what AI actually is. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. A growing number of tech startups are seeking to leverage AI technologies to drive business growth and innovation. Whether it's through the development of AI-powered products and services, or the use of AI to optimize internal operations, the potential applications of AI within tech startups are virtually limitless. Over the years, several tech startups have employed AI to great effect. Some of these transformative startups include Uber's use of AI for route optimization, Spotify's use of AI to personalize music recommendations, and Airbnb's use of AI to calculate optimal pricing. Looking forward, the role of AI in tech startups shows no signs of slowing down. As AI continues to evolve and become even more sophisticated, its value as a tool for innovation and growth within the tech startup sector will only increase.